Samsung's latest foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Flip 6, is here, and it's turning heads with a mix of sleek design upgrades and improved performance. Following in the footsteps of the popular Z Flip 5, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 looks to refine the foldable experience, offering consumers an even more polished, compact device that fits comfortably in the pocket. But how does it stack up in terms of innovation, durability, and overall value? Upon first glance, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 immediately impresses with its premium design. The clamshell foldable form factor remains intact, but Samsung has made subtle tweaks to the aesthetics, including a more refined hinge and a slightly slimmer profile. The outer display has also been improved, now offering a larger, more functional screen for quick notifications, apps, and camera controls without needing to unfold the device. This makes the Z Flip 6 even more practical for daily use, allowing for quick interactions on the go. Internally, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is powered by Qualcomm's latest chipset, ensuring fast performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming content. The device also boasts a 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED display, which offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate for an immersive viewing experience. The Flex mode, which allows the phone to stay partially folded while using apps, is also enhanced for better functionality. In terms of cameras, Samsung has kept the dual rear camera setup, with a focus on improving low-light performance and image stabilization. The front-facing camera is equally capable, perfect for selfies and video calls. Battery life is also better, with a 3,700 mAh battery that should easily get you through a day of regular use, thanks to optimized power consumption. One of the key highlights of the Z Flip 6 is its improved durability, with the latest Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protecting both the front and back of the device. Samsung has also made advancements in the hinge mechanism, making it more robust for everyday folding and unfolding. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is shaping up to be an excellent addition to Samsung's foldable lineup. Whether you're a first-time foldable buyer or upgrading from a previous model, the Z Flip 6 offers an impressive combination of style, power, and practicality in a compact form.